So a lot of traders know how to actually trade an uptrend. They can trade anything when it comes to market trending upwards. They know how to enter, they know the best position to enter, they know the best place to enter, and they hit TP. But they actually let's say automatically enter a losing streak immediately. Price is moving from an uptrend to a downtrend. They cannot actually spot the market when the market has actually changed direction. So let me show you the best way to actually spot that the market has actually changed direction, and let me show you how you can actually fix that. So let's go. Market changes from an uptrend to a downtrend, there is a particular hack I actually use. So firstly, you have to understand that this is a sequence for how the market trades upwards, creating higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows, higher highs. You understand me now? And this is a sequence of how market actually trades from lower high to a lower low, lower high to lower low, and that's like for a downtrend. You understand? You actually do this on your system or your phone. You could just clone this, you could clone this and add it to this. Now you can see this is a downtrend forming lower highs and lower lows. Now when you add this particular, when you add this, instead of the thing to start forming new lower lows, it starts forming higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It's just the hack. Now if you want to do the reverse and you want to actually spot when the market moves from an uptrend to a downtrend, simple. Just remove this and we'll do the opposite. You clone this, you take the cloned one, take the cloned one and add it here. Now you move this downwards, do something like this. Now you could see the price that is actually moving from an uptrend has actually just switched to a downtrend. Sometimes there's a what is to call it again? There are situations where price even like, let's say price would try to continue in its upward direction. Price will try to continue in its upward direction, but it will fail and come back downwards. You understand me? So it's just easy. If you use this particular step of actually just changing the sequence of how price moves, you're able to spot it easily. One, either you take this clone, you take this clone, sorry, let me clone that. Take it and add it here. It's just easy. You could spot that, oh, price has moved from higher lower highs, lower lows to now higher highs, higher lows. You understand me? That's the spot from where market is moving from a downtrend to an uptrend. You understand? But when market is moving from an uptrend to a downtrend, you could just take this one, you clone it and fix it here. And that's you get a good market structure shift. You could just see it here. All right. So from what I just explained here, let's actually take it to a real chart. So I'm going to take this, or let me just draw a new one here. So price actually started moving from here, creating higher highs and higher lows from this zone. So let's go. You understand? Let's go. So you can see here, price came here, created a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Price moved up, came back, higher high. Now this is a higher low. Now instead of price to continue, price actually fell, creating a lower low and a lower high. You understand? Now you could see that example I drew before is just perfect for this scenario. You understand? As I said, if you want to observe, if you want to spot it, remember first thing you have to move to a higher time frame. When you move to a higher time frame, you could actually easily spot it. You could easily spot it. So first you have to move to a higher time frame. When you move to a higher time frame, you could do this and mix it up. So